Hello, welcome to this great lesson on pronouns. In this lesson, we shall be looking at you and me or you and I. These two expressions are often misunderstood. People sometimes get confused as to which one correctly says what they have in mind. No wonder it can be so frustrating when in a quiz you have to make a choice between these two expressions, you and I, and you and me. The big question many speakers of English ask is, which one is correct and which is wrong? Join me to the end to fully grasp how to use these expressions appropriately. Let's get started. Remember that in our video on personal pronouns, we mentioned that these words were examples of personal pronouns. I, we. Me, us. You. Of course, there are a few others more. We also mentioned that I and we behave like noun subjects. Me and us behave like noun objects. But you can behave both as subjects and object nouns. See sentence examples in the next slide. I, we, and you are subjects. I have a big dog. We have a big dog. You have a big dog. Each of these words is a subject because the sentence talks about it and it comes before the verb have. Then we have me, us, and you as objects. He will show me the dog. He will show us the dog. He will show you the dog. Now, the pronouns in red are objects of the verb will show. You've now seen that apart from you, pronouns have different forms for subjects and objects. This knowledge will help us understand you and I or you and me better. Which is correct? You and I or you and me? Honestly, both expressions are correct. But it is good to note that while one expression is used as subject, the other is used as object. Can you guess which does what? Subject is you and I. In simpler terms, you and I means we, while object is you and me. You and me means us. What this implies is that you and I as subject is used before the verb in a sentence, while you and me as object comes after the verb. Let's see some sentences in the next slide. You and I, we. You and I played soccer. We played soccer. It was agreed that you and I would lead the way. It was agreed that we would lead the way. It wouldn't sound right using us in place of we in these sentences. So it wouldn't sound right using you and me. Now you and me, us. He teaches you and me. He teaches us. Mom gave the cookies to you and me. Mom gave the cookies to us. Again, you and me is preferred here because it is in the objective position. On the next slide, we shall examine another method of knowing which expression to use in certain contexts, you and I, or you and me. Another simple way of knowing which to choose between you and I and you and me is to break the compound subject or object and then removing you. See these examples. You and I play soccer. Correct. Me plays soccer. Wrong. You and I play soccer. Correct. You and me play soccer. Wrong. Since you do not say me play soccer, then you cannot say you and me play soccer. And if you cannot say it was given to I, then you do not say it was given to you and I. You and me. It was given to me. Correct. It was given to I. Wrong. It was given to you and me. Correct. It was given to you and I. Wrong. What about between you and I or me? The word between is a preposition, and pronouns after prepositions are often objects. Therefore, you and me is the correct choice whenever you see between. See these examples. The apples are to be shared between you and me. Between you and me, Sally is not as bad as people think. The rule here is, just as you cannot say between we, you cannot say between you and I, since you would be saying the same thing. Sometimes, another subjective pronoun or even a noun substitutes you in the expression. It doesn't matter. The same procedures apply. For example, she and I play soccer. Daniel and I play soccer. The cake was shared between Daniel and me. It was given to Daniel and me. Never say any of the following. I and you. Me and you. Me and Daniel. Me and she, or me and he. Always refer to yourself second. It's modest to do so. Activity. Fill in the gap with the correct expression from the list. The teacher gave dash an assignment. You and me. Me and you. You and I and you. So the teacher gave you and me an assignment is the same thing as saying the teacher gave us an assignment. Mommy said Dad should prepare dinner. Ella and me. Me and Ella. Ella and I and Ella. The right one is Ella and I. Mommy said Ella and I should prepare dinner. It's the same thing as saying Mommy said we should prepare dinner. 3. The teacher's advice is for dash. Me and my classmates. My classmates and me. I and my classmates. My classmates and I. So the teacher's advice is for my classmates and me. It's the same as saying the teacher's advice is for us. 4. Lucas lied that Dash were responsible for the losses recorded. I and he. He and I. Me and he. He and me. The right one there is he and I. Lucas lied that he and I were responsible for the losses recorded. So you replace the he and I with we. Lucas lied that we were responsible for the losses recorded. 5. Between dash, flying is a nightmare. Is it between you and me? Between me and you? Or between you and I? Or between I and you? The right one there is between you and me, flying is a nightmare. So it's as saying between us, flying is a nightmare. Thanks for watching. Kindly drop a remark on this lesson in the comments. Do like, share, and subscribe for more videos on English.